Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from a long video I've just finished to record for my subscribers, over 51 minutes video. Somewhere around the middle of that video, I share with my subscribers an insight that took me quite a few weeks and a lot of work to gain. And I am absolutely certain that this insight could prove pivotal in the strategy and in you trading and investing for the next several months. If I'm right, I could help you to not only protect what you've got, but potentially make a lot of money. If I'm wrong, at the very worst, I think I will help you just to protect what you've got and possibly miss one or two opportunities until the situation becomes clear. But I think that if you ever sort of trying out my service, that is the time, in my opinion. You can gain access to this video. I will give you further details. If you stay on after the clip ends, I'll speak to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Some general observations first. The currencies. I think that the dollar will continue to be weak this coming week. I see possibly a scenario of historic turnaround in the Japanese yen, but we still need further confirmation. But this is a window of opportunity. Could be something pretty big going on here with the Japanese yen. But as I said, we need I think at least several more weeks of the right price action, if you like, to confirm that we are really looking at a major turnaround, Japanese yen to begin weakening for years to come. Bonds, I see them continuing to weaken as much as I see the stock market continuing to strengthen and rise for the next several weeks. I see oil, gasoline, heating oil continue to be firm and running for the next few weeks. And that's about it. So let's begin with the dollar index. I've got here a long list now. I will go through the list. That's the dollar index, US dollar, euro, US dollar, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, US dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Swedish krona. Euro bond, continuous chart, Euro bond June 2011, long yields June 2011, USD bond June 2011, USD bond continuous chart to give us the big picture, and then FVX, TNX, Brent crude, gasoline May 2011, gasoline continuous chart, heating oil June 2011, and then the S&P 500 cash, S&P 400 cash, the Dow cash, the FTSE. That's the continuous chart of the futures contract. The same with the DAX. And then I'll have a look at corn, May 2011, and corn continuous chart. Okay, long list. US dollar, Swedish krona. No change for the bearish wave count here. The dollar, as far as this chart is concerned, is on its way down. It is taking a long time, but there is no major change here to disrupt this bearish movement. The weekly goes back to October 2007. Still, the best reading is 108, 2OB, and that's is 1, that's 2, that's another 1, 2. We are merely in a fourth wave. Where in the fourth wave we got multiple weekly closes under overhead resistance here, and I still think the next target is the floor here. I already discussed this chart many times, and I already mentioned that even though it's not a major in Forex, it is a very clear chart, and you want to avail yourself of the precious knowledge, precious information that it has for us, so why abandon it? And that is my line of thinking. That is the daily going back to June last year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 1, 2. That's a 1, 2 down in the third, probably ended here. We are in the fourth wave. We're in the fourth wave. I don't see any other option. Quite frankly, no other option. That is a fourth wave. And let me take you to the 240 minutes, and you can see what I have in mind. Here we go. That is a fourth wave. A break of 624. 624 will say the fifth wave, the fifth impulse wave is on course, is ongoing, and the dollar will continue lower. Okay, this is the Eurobond weekly scale continuous chart going back to November 2008. Weekly close under the black line. In fact, that's the second weekly close. I think that the faith of this of these bonds is pretty much now in the hands of the bears. This is going to continue lower. You see the massive support here. There is a huge struggle going on here, but the selling pressure is equally impressive, and I think it is just going to continue to slump. Here's the possible wave canal I am putting here. That's a 3, that's a 4 triangle ended here, and we are looking for it after some tiny consolidation here to continue lower. I am going to suggest another wave count that you will see that is also clear in the June contract of the Eurobond, with this being 1-2. Actually, the fourth wave may have ended here. That's a 1-2. We had the third. It's now engaged in doing the fourth. So very low key price action. I expect low. That's the DAX. The DAX daily going back to the 10th of January. A, B, C. 1-2, 1-2. Yes, I think the DAX is showing a 1-2, 1-2 situation. Very bullish. That means that 7,500 will be reached, and possibly much higher. Let me show you the 60 minutes. That is a 1-2, 1-2 credible structure. That means third wave may not have ended. It is still ongoing, running towards the black line. This one, I would think, would probably call for a pause, and then some consolidation over 2-3 days. That will be an invitation to go long, and then powering ahead. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only. per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that I run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.